Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an effortless manicure using just one nail plate. This is plate M217. It's called Modern Masterpiece. So this was very much inspired by artwork design with like the one stroke drawing with a mix of like nature abstract elements and accent pieces. So there is no right or wrong way to do this. So make sure when you're using your stamper heads, don't press and shake and do all that crazy stuff, you know, just light pick up. There you go. That's the last step. I'm just gonna go ahead and, so there. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to, of course, you can just recreate this manicure on your other hand, but if not, the way that I did it, every finger was a different concept, and it's because you just have so many to use here on this plate. So until then, thank you so much for following us and continue to keep giving those hearts, and I'll see you guys later.